Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion and the big reveal for What's in the Box, version 6. So I appreciate everyone who played along. And at the time of this recording, I do not know who won What's in the Box. I wanted to get into this box as soon as I could because I'm anxious to see it. So I recorded it before I knew who the winner is. But whoever won, congratulations. You're going to get yourself a 1964 Washington and Roosevelt, so 35 cents worth of constitutional silver, 35-cent face value, which works out perfectly to a 1/4 ounce of silver. So that's right, you've won a 1/4 ounce of silver, and I will be sending that to you. So thank you for playing along, and congratulations on your win. But I'm anxious to get in here, so let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, I'm going to cut this thing open. It's opened. So, I got it open, see? It is open. So let me go ahead and take the invoice out of there. Oh, good thing I did. It was right on top there. And now I'll get this thing open like this and set it down. And that's what's in the box. Some pink styrofoam. Congratulations for guessing. Woohoo! Wow, look at how well this thing's packaged. Man, this is great. Alright, so let's go ahead and get the box out of the way. Very nicely packaged. Got it from eBay, so the eBay seller did a great job. So, still wondering what it is? Let's go ahead and open this thing up. This side too. Here we go. Almost there. Can you see? And I think those of you who are familiar with this product knows what it is already. There we go. Check this out. Oh man. Look at this baby. This is a 25-gram Geiger bar. 25 1-gram Geiger bars. Look at this thing. Isn't this thing cool? As you may know, and I'm sure you do know, paid a premium for this. I mean, it wasn't terrible, but Geigers have premiums, and certainly 1-gram Geigers are premiums, but look at this. It's in the original case. This is a certificate that Geiger provides. You can see here, 25 by 1 gram, AG99. It's signed. And up at the top here, you can see that it's their certificate. Sorry about my light poles up there. This stuff's really bouncing. But yeah, ooh, man. This thing is so cool. I'm not going to break it open. It's sealed. You can see here. There's the original seals on it. Made in Germany, as we know. Geiger is a German company. And yeah, this is 25 1-gram Geiger bars. It looks like there's some toning up there in the corners. So that probably means some air's leaking into the sides here. But, yeah, you got toning along the edge, but that's okay. That's what silver does, especially 999 silver. Look at how beautiful that is. Let me try to put it under the cam here. See if we can see some of it. You know what, I'm going to switch over to the bar cam. And just puts it a little bit better on the right hand side there. And look at that. Those things are delightful. Really hard to get focused. But yeah, look at that, huh? 25 Geiger bars. 1 gram. Now these are more of a novelty. I mean, in a crap hits the fan situation, these would be nice to have on hand because they would be easy to trade for things. But these are come with a premium. And this is just to go with my Geiger bar collection because I try to collect Geiger bars and try to collect one size of everything, which is a very expensive thing to do with Geiger bars. But look at this. Look how they all have their own serial numbers on them. 295, 296, 297. And I would expect them to be all the way in order. 299, 298, 299. So that's the end of them. So they start up here at the top with 275. See that? 275, 276, 277, all the way down to 299. Wow, those are really cool. Let me see if I can find a different filter on here that shows the blue. So there we go. Can you see how they have the security codes even on these 1 grammers? They got the black light code on there, and the serial numbers are also in blue. See if I can focus that a little better. Look at those things. Those things are just gorgeous. Love them. Let's go back over. You see the toning I was talking about up on the top corner there and down the side? And usually that's an indication. If you've ever seen a sealed silver bar and the seal gets a little hole in it, like right above a particular spot on the bar, it's usually toned right there. So this is just probably saying that the plastic wrap on the side or the tape is not totally airtight. But I'm okay with that. That's a sign that we got ourselves some real silver in there. Look at that. And the toning's all on the sides, and the bottoms, and the tops, right where the tape is for the seal. So, anyway, what do you guys think, huh? This should have been a pretty good what's in the box. I doubt anybody went right out and guessed 1 gram Geiger bars. And, but yeah, man, these things are really, really cool. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit here. Get a better look. Pretty nice, huh? Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, why don't you go ahead and do that now. And also, go ahead and hit that notification button. And just now, a couple video recommendations popped up. Why don't you go ahead and check those out as well. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.